Okay, here we are. We're gonna do a sharpening video on the Buck 285. Try to do it a little closer up video so you can actually see it a little better. I already tightened it down. I'm gonna show you tricks. I tighten it nice and tight. I'm gonna do my thing that I've been doing for a while now. Basically, draw my little pattern on there. That way I know it don't move. And then sounds like someone's outside rototilling. That's probably my wife says I should be doing. So I just put this down here and draw this on here. This will tell me if because I haven't sharpened this before, so this will give me an idea if I'm hitting the apex. Well, actually, right now it's going to give me the angle. So that's what the heck that is, anyways. That's that. I'm gonna put the marker away. This is a Buck 285 with 420 HC. I heard this, I think it said 58 on the chart. So right now what I'm doing, we'll slide this out of the way, move that back. I'm trying to level this out. You want this thing to be flat across so it transfers the angle from there to there. So you keep, and I've been for a while now just going at 25-degree angle on most of my knives. So that's what it seems to put a pretty good edge on 25, and it has to be pretty tight. So we got that there. It follows it pretty good. We'll slap this right here, and we'll try to get we'll take oh yeah, to make sure it's kind of a shallow. This knife is not very wide, so you have to make sure that your stone's not going to hit on the clamp. So it looks good on that side. It should be because a lot of times you'll have the bar will touch the red piece, and you don't want that. And we'll flip it over just to show you. So it's not going to touch the clamp. The stone's not going to touch the clamp. So I usually start in the knob side or red side. That way I keep it together. So I'll just go over here, see where take some. I'll go forward and back. Pop it to the other side. What was a real light knife? There you go. Oh yeah, it's cutting already. The tip didn't go. I'm gonna take a little bit more time. See, it's not sharpened at the same angle on both sides. So we take this here and kind of take a look. Let's see. On this side, that's all my slop. I'm gonna have to wipe it off. I got lots of burrs already. Oop. Let me. Yeah, you see that? Wipe it off here. See, look right there. My blade isn't, or my stone isn't hitting that. It's hitting back to the back. Oh, it's not on this side. You can see it's hardly ever actually hitting. Only a little bit. This is the hardest part of sharpening. Is getting the first angle right. So this non-knob side, you see it. So that means it's not quite the angle is not quite right. So I'm gonna go to hyper speed here and get this tuned up so it's even. So this might take me a little while. I'll be back in a few after we'll put you in hyperdrive. Okay, I got it. I'm pretty satisfied with the edge. Right now, this is on the rough stone. I don't like the red knob side, this side here, because it's like almost from the factory, the length of the cut or the distance of from the back of the blade to the apex is almost longer than the non-knob side, or I should say the non-handle side. So, but I got it to apex. I already wiped the burrs off, but it has. I just didn't like how. I guess most people wouldn't notice it, but when you sharpen some knives, you notice little things. But I got this with the rough stone. Also, after more and more I sharpen, the more important this sharpening choil is. You bring your stone all the way back, and your stone don't hit anything. Like, it don't rub on the handle or anything. That's a little, I don't know, it's kind of neat. I never really paid much attention to it before I started sharpening knives. So, I'm going to go to the next stone. But I just want to show you an update. Like I said, the first stone is always the hardest, because you get a factory edge. Sometimes I think their angles are like they'll. I don't know. I wonder if I could draw a picture. Wipe something off here. They're almost like they don't sharpen the same angle. So they'll have like you have like a wedge basically. That's like and then the back of this is what you're sharpening. This is a sharpening edge, right? This is what you're rubbing against the stone. And it's like sometimes the factories, like this side would be higher. So you almost have to clean the edge up, because this is a different angle than this is. So it might be this angle might be like 25, and this angle might be 35. So I like to put my angles perfect. Like if I had two, I want both mine to be a 25-degree angle. So I have to reshape the blade or reprofile it so they're even as best as I can. Otherwise, it just is tough. So that's why it takes longer to do the first stone than the rest of them. All right, I'm going to go to hyper speed again. All right, well, I'm not going to go to hyper speed right now. Let's do it real quick with the medium stone. Real zippity zip. I'll do a few of them. So, but anyways, like I was saying before, that's why it takes so much time on the first stone. You got to reprofile it. So I think I've went over other sharpening videos. If you watch any of my other sharpening videos, I'm not professionally trained. I just kind of learn on my own, reading directions, watching other YouTube videos. I might be doing it totally wrong, but I know I got pretty good results with this system. This is a Lansky system, and I actually been able to take a piece of hair and carve a little bit of it, like curl it up. So, and this is all I do basically when I'm showing you this today. And you basically just gotta, a lot of times you end up actually, you start to feel the way the metal is cutting against the stone. Let's see, I'll just do it real quick here. See if I can't see what it feels like. It feels like, it's like, I don't know, you just have to do it yourself. That the more you do it, on each stone, like more of the stone is coming in contact with the blade. Like, you can almost hear and feel it. Let's see what we got. That's, I think, 3 times. Going 3 times. Oh yeah, I can feel edge on it. See what we got together. Okay. Let me take a look at it. Oh yeah. See, I can see little bits of metal or burrs. I don't know if I can see it here. It's hard to see on my camera. I'm going to wipe it off and just kind of... Yeah, it's starting to take shape. I'm going to have to go some more over it with this, but it's starting to take shape. It's got an edge on it. Alright, I'm going to stop it this time and go to hyper speed for real. Okay, I'm back. I got down to the fine stone, and that's what the fine stone is, the blue, and then I stropped it a little bit, and right now, pretty consistently. Let's see if I can do it on camera. Slice foam paper. Oh, that's all I try on camera. Oh yeah, sure you can. Let me wipe this off. There you go. See. Not the best, but it does slice it right now. But I will be going down a little, so it's on the way. But this would be the fine stone, which is the 600 with a strop. This strop, the leather hone. I'm gonna go 2 more stones, and hopefully when I come back, it'd be really sharp. So, anyways, I wanted to give an update, and I'm gonna go back to hyperlapse. Okay, here we are again. Out of hyperspeed, I got it. It's hair shaving sharp now. Definitely not the factory edge anymore. Here's the close-up of it. You can see the shard looking thing from the sapphire stone. The effect it has. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, let's see. It'll shave. Let me get me a piece of newspaper for you. Oh yeah. Newspaper like it's nothing. I mean, that's the rough side and everything. Just slipping it right down. See, it'll try fast. Look at it's got a new piece of paper. New phone book paper. And just get a nice clean piece. There. Oh, I should have wiped it off, but there it goes. Here, we'll wipe it off. See ya. Let's see. Oh, the rough edge. Here we go. The rough edge. This is harder. It is hard, but yeah. I could shave with it right now. It's not cooperating with me. Come on, baby. It's so hard to do it on camera. There we go. Just got to get the... But anyways, it's sharp. Let's see. I wonder if I can. Let's see. There we go. Let's try this. Oh yeah, you can hear it popping the hair. I don't like the way it feels. Let me strop it real quick. You see. I think I have a... Oh yeah, that's better. Yeah, you see a little bit of stropping. It's just popping the hairs right off. Yep, you can see it. Yeah. There you go, shaving sharp. Yes, this is a good old, it's like a leather strop. You just go like that. 5 times there, and it's hard with the... That's with the... So leather strap I made, have some compound, but with a little bit of that, you could feel the edge, and there we go. Let's see, let's get my camera. Oh yeah. However, look at that. There's hair shaving sharp. Buck 285C with HC steel. I can't say it. It probably was maybe the sharp originally, but probably not. But let's see. Let's get another. See if I can get a... Yeah. Not too bad. I took the edge pretty good. All right. Have a good day. Bye.